Do you know 7 out of 10 United States households own a grill or a smoker? And then they use them an average of 5 times a month. Barbecue is becoming more and more popular. Statistics in other countries aren't as easy to get, but 8 out of 10 households in Canada own a barbecue. Only 3% of the United States grill owners own a pellet grill, but 11% of prospective buyers in 2018 said they plan on buying a pellet grill. In the United States in 2017, almost 30% of the grill sales were first-time grill owners. When polled on the reason it comes to barbecue, 72% say it's all about the flavor. Barbecue in the United States traces back to George Washington in 1769. He wrote that he attended a barbecue in Alexandria, Virginia. But barbecue goes way back further than that. Mankind's been using wood to cook his food ever since he's figured out how to start fire. It's not about the perfect sauce, the perfect bite-through rib, or the perfect chicken skin. Everybody does barbecue their own way, and that's okay. Barbecue's about bringing people together. Barbecue's about taking a break from our everyday problems and struggles. Barbecue's about family, friends. Barbecue's about trial and error until you get it the way you want it. But most importantly, barbecue's about the meat. Stay hydrated, my friends. Crack a cold one for me. Cheers. Make sure you keep the smoke rolling.
I really appreciate you sticking around to watch the whole video. Check out these other videos over here. You may very well be interested in those also. The inspiration behind the videos is your feedback. And the best way to give me your feedback is to hit the like button down below. Most importantly, hit the subscribe button down below. And you can also leave comments. I can't wait to see you next time.